Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create and customize menus in WordPress. So you can see this is my admin dashboard. So at first you need to create pages. As you can see, I have already created 3 pages. So now click on the appearance and also click on the menus. Create a menu name. I will put header menu and then click on the create menu. Now I will add my pages into the menu. Click on the add to menu. So I will customize the menu and then click on the automatically add new top level pages to this menu and also main, and then click on the save menu. As you can see, the header menu has been updated. Let's check it on the website. As you can see, the menus are ready. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.